So why shouldn't you plagiarise? Well, part of the reason is that it's unfair on the people who did the work and put the effort in, and another reason is that you're wasting the time of the person marking it, as they're not marking your work, but they're actually marking someone else's. However, that's not the main reason. The most important reason is because it's wasting your time and not actually helping yourself learn. The principal reason for doing an assessment is to gauge your level of understanding or your critical and analytical skills. The feedback we give you on an assessment is aimed to guide you to improve these. Whether you're plagiarising from a direct source, such as a textbook or a journal article, or the internet or another student, or even plagiarising your own work that you did some time ago, you're not actually actively using that information. All you're doing is duplicating it. Therefore, you're not actually thinking about the material and not learning from the assessment. So plagiarism means that your response to the assessment doesn't help you understand the subject. It doesn't help you develop as a critical thinker, and doesn't help us as staff help you correct any misunderstandings and develop your academic skills. So it's important to put things in your own words. It's also important to let us know the source where you obtained your information so that we can check that information that you're using. So you need to reference it correctly as well. So if you cheat your way around these things, then firstly you can get into trouble, but mostly it'll mean you're not actually learning at all. And at the end of the day, that's what you're here for.